In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Bankmobile to Cash App. Here's what we have to do. Click on your profile icon found in the top right corner and then go into linked banks here. Once we have selected linked banks, we will choose link debit card, and then here we will choose no card, so we link our Bankmobile account directly. So link your bank account here, click on continue, and it's going to give us a list of all of the different institutions, and we will use the search bar to search for Bankmobile. So as you can see, this pops up Bankmobile VIBE. Once we click on it, it's going to ask us to log in with our Bankmobile credentials, and once we have logged in, this is going to connect Bankmobile with Cash App. Now once we have integrated the two, I'll just exit out of this. We want to go back to our home screen once you have connected them. Okay, and from the home screen here, we will click on the bank icon found in the bottom left. So here, what we want to do is now choose Add Cash and choose the amount which you want to transfer over from Bankmobile to Cash App. So for example, you can choose from these pre-selected amounts, or if you want to do a custom amount, you click on the three dots here and type out the amount which we want to withdraw. After that, click on Add. And if you have successfully connected your accounts, then it's going to take the money from Bankmobile and transfer it over to your Cash App balance. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.